Hey beautiful fam, welcome back. So this is like Monday after we went to the beach. I wanted to vlog yesterday, but I forgot my camera at home. So today I'm preparing quinoa. You guys saw the last time I bought it that my husband bought it at Restaurant Depot. So this is my second time in this lifestyle that I'm preparing it. The first time I prepared it in form of fried rice. So today I'm going to do the same thing, or probably I should do it as jollof rice. So I have this already cooking. This is my turkey, for jollof rice. I'm preparing jollof rice for the kids, because they love jollof rice a lot. I'll prepare jollof rice for them, and quinoa just to carry you guys along. So finger crossed, let's see. And I promised to make a special video on my fried rice recipe. I think I have one, if I'm not mistaken, on the and be expecting much of my cooking videos. So I'm going into a new era. You guys will be following me in the cookie and so many things that are coming. So stay tuned to this channel. Stay subscribed. I appreciate you, all my genuine subscribers that are always coming to watch me. I appreciate you guys. So let's get into the cooking. You guys, the kids are here. Divine, come and say hello. Hola. She say hola. Every one of them I say, even the little one. Hola. Hola. Salud. Salud. Dominic, say hi to me. My husband is here. My husband went to the store to buy some things. So let's go, you guys. Just came in with some groceries. You guys can see. Cashew nuts. We snack on this a lot. Your boot, I know. This is apple. This is green peas.
This is a bell.
Okay. Cucumber. We can do without this in the house. Spinach.
This is a tail.
Cucumber. Is it a clove? This is lettuce. What is this?
This is a baby broccoli.
Broccoli? That's Dominion.
What's that?
What's this?
This is a pepper.
Is it pepper? See the way you pronounced it. Is it pepper? What's this?
This is a flower.
What is this?
This is a broccoli.
Is it broccoli? This is kale. It's a broccoli.
This is a orange.
Orange. This is orange. You heard that? So these are the things. It's still bringing some things inside. So let me get into the cooking. I just need a few things from here. I know. I need the updates. Melon. You guys, it's so hard to get seedless the watermelon that has seed. This one is seedless, and it's homegrown. They said it's homegrown. He got some bottles of water. Too. Look, these are the made for the kids. 2% reduced fat. That is what we allow them to drink.
Organic fat milk.
Good job.
And milk does not milk.
See your nose.
Organic milk is good for you.
So we are recovering from cold. What I do is put salt in my rice and pour. It's a carrot. I know. So I put hot water there. So I have some fish here. Let me show you. I have some fish in the sink that I want to wash. I'll just marinate it and put it inside the fridge for a bit. I have my cutting board out for cutting my vegetables Or maybe I will even put it in my food processor. That is what I will do. So I already put salt. I'm using salt to wash it. Show this over. You can't do this over this things.
We have strips. We have our corn. And we also have our vegetables that are yummy. This is bell pepper. This is carrot. This is kale, and this is peas.
Is that peas?
No, it's green onions. Is that green onions? And green onions. So take
green onions? Yes, green onions. Is that onions?
no.
Green peas.
Green peas, and look at our vegetables. Stay tuned and watch this vlog. And we also have this particular company. It's like something, it's circles. Like that's what we have here.
I'm cooking 2 cups. So I've not put it into a storage. I don't have any more storage again, so I have to buy one. I'll store this. I'll be using 2 cups of water to cook this. Since it's 2 cups, I'm going to be using coconut milk. The last time I prepared it, someone said I should try using coconut milk to cook it, that I'm going to love it. So let's see. I can't find my tin cutter again, so I want to use this. This is my first time of doing this. No, this is the second time. The last time too I was looking for it. I need to buy a new one. So this is the second cup I've added, but I'm going to add water. To use the whole coconut water. I added everything. I will cook it on a low heat now. It's looking like I'll just leave it to cook. on a low heat. Rice. So I told you guys I'm preparing today fried rice. This is fried rice I'm preparing. So I'm using the water from my, I'll show you guys, from my turkey broth. I left this rice into hot water and salt, and I covered it. That is why it's like this. It's really clean. So I'll just put a bit of curry. It's already sweet, so I'll put a bit of curry. That's the only thing. This turmeric, just a little bit of it. And then my curry. So I'll put small water now for it to cook together, and my salt. So I'll put onions, dry one. That's it. I'll leave it to cook now. Putting a bit of my salt in my couscous, in my quinoa, sorry, not couscous. So that's it. So I discovered the milk cannot serve as water. I'm adding more water. So hopefully this will cook it. So it's still cooking on a low heat, you guys. Rice is done. So they are both done. This is also it's also done. Let me see. So this is it. It's already dry. So I will fry the vegetables now. Fry the vegetables now. I like it with the taste of the coconut milk.
So the one that is the sheep.
Oh my god.
This is what I'm talking about.
Okay.
Can I have the juice also?
To get these. Fish is ready. Hey guys, let me show you. Salmon fish and turkey is ready. It's moist like this before I pour it. I'll be pouring it now. The first one is my couscous. Oúnjẹ náà ti jiná bẹ́ẹ̀ ká wá jẹun. You guys, end result is really good, very tasty. I didn't even use my ring lights. This is the natural light.
Treat my own. Mama, you do good.
So it's really good. I won't lie. It's really good. This is the outcome. It looks like gari, but it's not gari. It's really good, you guys. And the outcome of the fried rice. This is it. I'm preparing some broccoli for us to eat with it. Yeah, forget it. My food is delicious. My food is always delicious. Yeah. I dey cook. Don't be shere. I dey cook. Food is ready. This is how I serve my hand. With broccoli, you guys can see that Device own. Yeah, Damien's own. This is Damien's own. Mio. Our Mio. Yeah, I know. So I've come to the end of the video. Like you guys, I'm so tired. I need to eat and go and take a nap. Thank you for coming along with me, cooking, and to the beach that we went to. I hope you enjoy watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and share with other people.
I hope you like
Don't just woke up.
I hope you like our channels. See you next time. Everybody has home. Say hi. Say bye. Hi.